This is a gorgeous apartment from the Modera Waugh in Houston, Texas. It's a really pretty one bedroom. It's their model. I mean, you can see it. It's just gorgeous. It's got a huge island. You can put easily probably five bar stools or chairs there. It's really pretty. You can see just the kitchen, just so adorable, well lighted. You can see it's got just gorgeous cabinets. It's kind of a cream off-white. You're gonna feel great in here in this apartment. You're gonna feel great. You're gonna love how you feel. It's awesome. You're also going to love all the space you have here. It's just got tons of space. You can have a lot of people over here in this apartment and really enjoy life here at the Modera Waugh. Man, it's beautiful. You've got a really massive bedroom too. You can easily fit a king, almost a king, and another twin bed in there. There's a lot of space, and then you've got a beautiful bathroom. The bathroom is dual sinked and just gorgeous and lots of space. And then of course that walk-in shower is there too. Really pretty. Hey, it's time to check out the Modera Waugh, maybe on a Zoom tour or maybe in person, whichever is best for you. Why don't you just send me a text? I can set that up for you. It's a free service that we work with the Modera Waugh. They love it when we take care of you. So send me a text and let me know, hey, I'd like to look at the Modera Waugh. You can also ask just questions about any of the best Houston apartments, and we'll take care of that with the text also. Look forward to hearing from you soon.